ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
Okay, let's take that out. I got you. So what did Jesus asked him, what do they say about me?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Ask Peter, and what did Peter's answer was?
Be a part of the da'wah team. Like, subscribe, share, comment. You got to do your part for the da'wah. Mark 8:27. So let's go to Mark.
Peter's answer.
I got you. I'm going to give you the answer. No problem. Mark. Luke. Let's get to.
You have everything ready, yeah?
Well, you brought this up, so not me, so we'll see. John being the last, Luke before that. Mark, what did we say, 27?
8:27.
8:27. Okay. Mark 8:27. Like now, Jesus and his disciples went out of the town of Caesarea Philippi, and on the road he asked the disciples, saying, "Who do the men say I am?" Right? So they answered, "John the Baptist, but some say Elijah, and others say one of the prophets." He said to them, "But who do you say that I am?" Peter answered to him, You are Christ of God, not God, Christ.
Son,
Yeah, he did not say Son of God. Yeah, read it.
son,
Read it.
Christ.
Read it.
This,
It does not say God.
Which Bible?
New King James. That's the one you read. Don't. You read it now, right? So when you see the followers of Jesus,
Then what did just read me?
then he strictly warned them that they should tell no one about him. And then he began to teach. Where does he say Son of God?
Peter said.
Well, no, Peter said, to him you are the Christ. Not God, not Son of God.
Christ. With the old prophet. Christ. Prophet. Elijah. Ethical.
Okay.
Or they have written.
Look, he said you are the Son of God, and that's not what the verse says. Right? Now, let me ask you, when Jesus, for himself, called himself a prophet, was he being truthful?
He said it on the people, at the end of his preaching.
Okay.
End of preaching, he said to the people, I am many times, I am the Son. He don't want to disclose his divinity.
So he was hiding. He was lying.
He wanted to.
When he said he's a prophet, was he lying?
He wanted to complete his mission.
Okay, if I said Jesus is a servant of God, you would agree or disagree?
Servant of God on the planet.
Okay.
Not heaven,
okay, I'm showing you in Acts, which is by Paul, after Jesus, according to Christians, ascended.
Yeah.
So this is not on earth.
Yeah.
Where is it? After, right? Acts says after, right?
Yeah.
It says the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of our fathers, glorified his servant Jesus. And this is after, this is Acts.
When on this
look, it didn't say on this planet.
No.
It does not say on this planet.
It means, I'm telling you in a different way.
No, but that's not what it says. You're twisting it.
When he was on this planet,
Okay.
he also said, I am the servant of God.
Okay.
Many times he said, I am the Son of God.
But
John, while baptizing, the heaven was open.
Okay.
And God spoke, here comes the Lamb of God, my only begotten Son, and obey him.
Are there other begotten sons?
No.
There's only Jesus. Okay. In the Bible.
You will talk about David.
Yes, I will.
David, I know that you'll ask me the question.
Oh, good.
David.
So then let's hear your answer.
David.
Brother asked a very good question.
Yeah. David is also very close to God.
Okay. Is he a begotten son?
No.
Okay. So in the Bible, in Psalms of David, pre-Jesus, it says, I, David, I will declare the decree. The Lord has said to me, you are my son. Today I have begotten you. Begotten.
God and there are so many things.
Now you're running from it.
When Bible
Begotten son.
no. When Bible was translated,
Okay.
in the beginning, the Greek.
Catholic were first?
Huh?
The Catholics were before you?
No.
Okay. Listen. You have no answer, but let me just.
Yeah.
How did Judas die?
He hanged him.
Okay. In the Bible, it says, then he threw down the pieces of silver. The money he got, what did he do with it? He threw it. He threw it away.
He was desperate.
Okay. And departed and went and hanged himself. That's true, right?
Correct.
In the same Bible, when I go further, in Acts, now this man purchased a field with the wages of iniquity. He didn't throw the money in this one, he bought land.
He buy the land.
But you said he threw it.
No. He buy the land.
Wait, no, earlier it said he threw it.
Maybe whatever he had, he threw the money out.
Did he throw it or did he buy land with it?
Maybe because we don't know. Maybe he bought the land.
Look, we're going by the Bible.
The money which whatever left,
Okay.
maybe
I don't need this, throw him.
maybe
Okay.
he threw it out.
Take them. Okay, so we do agree he hanged himself though, right?
He hanged.
Even if you're twisting about the money.
No,
Okay.
he hanged.
And he threw the wages of iniquity, and falling headlong, he burst open in the middle, and all his entrails gushed out. But this is saying he fell headlong, not hanged himself.
So when you translate,
When you translate hanging and falling headlong, you get different answers.
when you translate after many years and after centuries,
There's mistakes.
there are some type of
Francis,
There
there
are-
are mistakes in this book.
there are some type of
Errors.
errors. Errors.
So there's errors in this book.
Maybe or maybe
Oh, we just said it. You just saw it. Right?
maybe or maybe not. Because
Okay. Let me ask you another question then.
it was
Therefore, Michal, the daughter of Saul, had no children to the day of her death. So she had no children till she died, right? The daughter of Saul. We agree, right? In the same Bible,
there are the four of the gospel, Matthew.
yeah.
When they translated it,
This is Old Testament. It's not Matthew, John, Luke. Right? And the 5 children of Michal, the daughter of Saul. How could she have no children till the day she died and have 5 children? Same Michal, daughter of Saul, 5 children, 5 sons. Same Bible, she had no children till the day of her death.
will be different texts.
No.
Maybe-
Michal, the daughter of Saul, not different, same.
Yeah, there may be some error.
That's a mistake, right?
There must be some error.
Okay, we agree.
When they translated it.
So this book has errors then.
The Bible went through a lot of centuries and after
I agree. So it has mistakes today.
and four
I got you.
disciples, the main disciples, after translation,
Francis.
they handed over to them.
Okay.
Then to the another
We
generation.
would agree that today there are mistakes in this, errors we just saw.
Maybe a little.
No, not maybe, you just saw them.
Maybe here and there. Maybe.
No, here and there, all over. Okay, was Jesus from the genealogy of David?
He come in the line of David.
Okay. In that line, that's important though, right? Because the Messiah was to be from the line of David, right?
Line of David.
Okay. So in Matthew, it says, and Jacob begot Joseph, the husband of Mary, to whom was born Jesus, who was called Christ. Right? So Jacob is the father of Joseph, right?
Correct.
Do you see? Right? That's
Yeah.
correct. Okay, good. When I go to Luke,
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
you're getting ready for the mistake to be shown to you.
Yeah.
Now Jesus began his ministry at about 30 years of age, being supposed the son of Joseph, the son of Heli.
That is the earthly father.
So Jacob is not.
He was the foster father.
Okay, but who is the father of Joseph? We just said Jacob, right?
Yeah.
And here it says Eli.
Maybe different names.
Okay. The son of Matat, another different name.
Yeah.
The son of Levi, another different name.
Levite was a group. They were group. Levite is.
Who's the father? Who's the father of Joseph?
Levites are the priests. They were the group of priests.
Who is the father of Joseph?
I don't remember.
Let's take a look at it. The son of Joseph. Joseph is the son of Heli. So who's the father of Joseph?
What is it?
Heli. Right?
Yeah.
We good? You want my glasses? You need to...
No.
Okay, good. So Heli. In the same Bible, Jacob begot Joseph. So here Jacob is the father of Joseph.
This is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If you go to 2000 years back,
Yeah,
2000 years back,
2000 years back.
and then if you go little down,
Yeah,
the
the scribes would make errors.
make errors.
Okay, I'm with you.
Yeah.
So what okay. So that's an error, scribal error.
Yeah, they make
Okay.
errors.
So friends,
And then again,
Mhm.
in the new generation, the Bible was written Bible was written in
Koine Greek originally,
Greek,
yeah, and then translated.
not translated. So you just imagine how many mistakes they
A great point. How many mistakes they must have made.
made.
So that means tons of, maybe hundreds, maybe thousands
Yeah, the hundreds.
of mistakes in the Bible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every Bible is translated. There is some type of error. Some type of error.
Good.
But I only
So you.
to ask
Okay. No. Hold on.
about
Okay,
one
go ahead.
thing.
Okay. Go ahead. Ask.
Hinduism
Yeah.
was the first religion.
I
of the world.
absolutely disagree.
No.
And let me explain it. Okay. The definition of the word Muslim is who submits to their creator. And you agreed Adam submitted to his creator. So then by definition, he was Muslim, and that means by your agreement, Islam was before. Now, let's not jump from the Bible, because I see you're jumping. Here the brother is also pointing out that it mentions, how can you say, we are wise, and the law of the Lord is with us? Look at the false pen of the scribes. So people put false.
Yeah.
You agree?
Yeah.
So what we agree on now is that this book today, the Bible, has tons, if not hundreds of errors from the scribes and the false pens of scribes
After generation.
after generation.
After
So
generation.
today it's filled with errors though.
Yeah.
Right? After 2000 years, right? No, do we agree on that?
I agree with you.
Okay.
But the
So
main-
how can you put your faith on a book knowing it has errors?
maybe there's some mistake.
Why not follow the Quran?
But
Go ahead.
but the main thing, what we are talking now,
Okay.
is the main thing that God revealed
Himself to the prophets.
to the prophet.
Good,
and
I
to the
agree.
to the mankind.
Good.
One day, when every religion will be filled on this planet,
Okay.
one day I will send my son.
Where does it say that?
I will send my son.
Where does it say that? No, where did you get that from?
It is from the mouth of the prophet.
Show me.
Come in good.
No, you spoke to the prophet?
No.
So you got it from the Bible.
They have written.
Where?
They have written.
Where did they write that?
In Arabic.
Arabic?
In what?
Not Arabic.
Those days.
Aramaic.
Aramaic.
Where did they write it?
They kept. They kept one thing. I believe.
No.
They kept
Where did you learn this?
from father to son, father to son, father to son, father to son, father to son.
Can you show me that
When
chain?
the
Hold
writing
on.
came.
Okay.
When
Hold on.
the writing came.
Hold on.
they wrote down.
Hold on. That father to son, where is that chain?
The chain of Jesus Christ is already there.
We just saw it.
Yeah.
Even his genealogy has contradictions.
No. The generation of Jesus is already written in the Bible.
Where?
How he started
From the Bible.
from Adam to
From the Bible.
Yeah, from
But
Adam.
we agreed the Bible has mistakes.
Then maybe some.
You said many. You said many. You didn't say.
No.
You didn't say some. You said tons, maybe hundreds.
No.
Scribes over the generation made mistakes.
Of
So
course.
why would you believe in a book you know to be have mistakes and not in a Quran that has no mistakes?
I have Quran with me.
Excellent. How do you like it?
I read something.
Excellent. So why not put your faith on a book with no mistakes, not on a book that clearly has mistakes? Does that make sense?
Bible.
Does that make sense though?
I believe in Quran.
You believe in the
I
Quran?
believe in the Bible.
Okay, good.
I believe in the Bhagavad Gita.
Okay. So you believe in the Quran?
Quran, I believe.
Okay.
I have a
The
Bible.
Quran says, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Allahu Samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad.
In different ages.
No. Listen, you said you believe in the Quran. The Quran says Allah has no kids. He is not born of anybody.
At that time, it was not revealed to mankind. The time will come. God said, a time will come.
Wasn't the Quran revealed after the time of Jesus?
It was before.
It was before Jesus?
No.
After. So that means after Jesus, Allah revealed in a book that you believe in that He has no sons, no daughters, no kids.
It was not revealed at certain time, certain ages. God revealed different things.
God lied to people?
To men.
If God had a son, and later He said, I have no son, that would be a lie. No? Do you have kids? Do you have kids?
Yeah.
If you told me I have no kids, would that be a lie?
I'm not talking about physical.
No.
This is divine.
Is Jesus the Son of God?
I believe in this.
The Quran says no.
It is maybe your belief.
No, not my belief.
My belief is different.
Not my belief. The Quran says it.
No.
It doesn't say that?
My belief is
Alright, inshallah. Listen.
incarnated by God to a Virgin Mary.
Okay.
By the power of the Holy Spirit.
Okay.
By the power of God.
Where did you get that belief from?
From the prophets. The old prophets.
Which prophet told you?
Many prophets.
Name me one prophet that told you that.
I cannot remember.
You talked to the prophet?
The Elijah.
Elijah talked to you?
No.
Who did he talk to?
But it is written.
Where?
You know.
It's written where?
The holy.
It's written where?
Listen to me. The holy scriptures were written the olden days. On the olden days. The father used to write them in their heart.
Okay.
When there was no pen.
Where did you read it?
No, it is revealed.
Is it in the Bible?
It is revealed.
Not in the Bible.
By God.
God revealed it to
To
you?
the prophet, no.
But you didn't meet the prophets.
Then they have written in their heart.
Where did you read their hearts?
To their children's heart to obey God.
We believe in obeying God. That's not to say Jesus the Son of God. Which heart did you read that in?
No. They left the message to the children and then to the children, then to the children.
Okay. So where did you get it from?
And then finally, the book was written.
Listen. You're just stretching now, right? But you do agree the Bible is filled with mistakes. We agree on that, right? And you agree the Quran is not, right? And you have a Quran, right?
I don't know about that.
You've read it, right?
I read minute. I got in my book. I read.
So read the Quran, the book without mistakes, and inshallah follow it.
Tell me one thing.
Yes.
Why there is 10 commandments that you believe in Moses? Right?
I believe in Moses.
Why the 10 commandments are not included in Quran?
Who said they're not?
Are there 10
Of course. What's the first commandment?
I am the Lord thy God.
Huh?
I am the Lord.
Hear, O Israel, your Lord is one.
I am the Lord your God.
Hear, O Israel, your Lord is one.
Okay.
Right? No, hold on. I'm answering you. Right? So the first commandment, your Lord is one.
Correct.
Right? What does Allah say in the Quran? قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Right?
Thou shalt have no God.
Right? La yushriku bihi shay'a. You will not make any shirk with Allah.
Yeah.
You will not worship. That's in the Quran.
Yeah.
So all the commandments you will find in Islam as well. Don't steal, don't kill.
Yeah.
All of that's in Islam.
Kill.
Yes.
So why when God has given this commandment,
Yes.
thou shalt not kill.
Yes.
So why this killing is happening now?
Why do Christians kill people?
Everybody, and that's what I'm saying.
They disobey God
Why people kill each other?
because they're disobeying God. But we cannot get around the fact that the Quran is the true preserved message of God. Read it to learn the true message and follow it. Do not put your faith on a book that you see with clear errors that you agree could have tons of errors. Okay?
There are errors in every book.
Thank you so much. Not in the Quran.
When
Show me one in the Quran.
When-
You have a Quran, bring me one.
no, I have.
Oh no, you said there's errors in every book. Show me one in the Quran. Show me one, just one.
Bible.
There you go.
Bible.
Here's the Quran. Show me one. I'll show you 100.
No.
No? Okay. Then follow that which has no errors. I have to go. I have to pray. Thank you so much.
ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني